What kind of a person are you?
Kind of person would I describe myself to be? I don't know. Just an ordinary person. But then again, there's Jekyll and Hyde to me. Okay, go ahead. Next
In my
question.
talks with you, you gave me the formula for the serial kill.
Yes, I believe a serial killer comes about by circumstances, and it is like a recipe. Poverty, drugs, child abuse, a few other things that I can't recall right now, but I believe that these things, you know, contribute to a person, to a person's frustration and anger, and at some point in life, he explodes. Evil is feelings and emotions like anger, hate, lust, and greed. Whereas if I didn't give in to them, I would be crushed by them. As far as the crimes they say I committed, I've been convicted of, I still have dreams of everything that has happened, yes. But I like nightmares. I was happy till the day I got arrested. I had hoped, not as much as I would like. I do exercise. I meditate.
You did?
Yes, I meditate.
Here?
Yes, in my cell. It is to get executed rather than spend the rest of my life in prison. I don't have any hope of getting out. And I don't see it as a reality, realistically. Looking at it, I don't see myself walking the streets again. I am not engaged. I am not engaged, and no, I don't want to talk about anything like that.
California's Night Stalker has married behind bars.
Were you ever in love with a woman?
I have been in love.
When? How old were you?
I was 15. I was 15.
And what happened?
I got sent, I was with her 3 years and I got sent to reform school. And when I came back, we lost touch and she got married and that was it. Do I associate sex with violence? Break. Shit, man, this is a hard question. I don't know. I can't answer that, Mikhail. I mean, hold it. Just, no, we can't get into that. See, she tries and makes, you know, keeps me going, but I can't.
Okay.
Don't laugh like that. You're making me laugh. I hope you edit this real good, Philip. Thank you. Okay, go ahead, man. What do you know, I'm at a loss here. What do you want me to say? People.
Nothing. I wanted to say the things you've made me think you got to say.
Hold on, Mike, hold on. Look, you know, sometimes I can't say what I really feel. I am pending trial here. As to sex and violence, many people are into S&M and bondage and stuff, and there's clubs that...
Yeah, we're talking about you.
Me? Well, sex and violence? Well, No, I don't think I'll answer that, no.
הוא יודע מה עברת?
What?
זה קשה לראות שהוא מתקרב אלייך ככה.
Well, I agree. That was a stupid answer, but Jesus,
בכלל,
this is a wicked world, and in a wicked world, wicked people are born, you know, and regretting is not my style. I cannot regret. It just isn't me.
Why, you feel it's threatening your well-being?
Possibly. I believe in fate, you know, destiny.
Are there any things about you you'd want to be remembered for? Things that are positive in you, things that you think are special?